Hurst has always been very conscious of recyclability, and for many years it has had a lot of thought in its process of how it recycles its products. We've recycled through the manufacturing process all the core materials involved in PVC door manufacture, the PVC itself, MDF, even the polystyrene itself and glass, together with card and polythene, all the constituent parts. We currently have waste streams that are recycled through various suppliers. Obviously, by introducing this new PVC core, that enables us to continue to recycle all the products that are manufactured in this process, both in the manufacturing state itself, but also at end of life it will enable the constituent parts to be broken down and recycled through the various streams.